Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all would be fine and you all would be okay. So friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am with a wonderful project, with an amazing project, the beneficial project for you all guys. And I hope it would be the beneficial project for you and you will get so much benefits in the near future. So because I have seen the team, the struggles of the team, the efforts of the team, they are struggling very hard. And after seeing all this, I must say that this project is going to be beneficial for you, and this will bring many much benefits for you. It will benefit you in the near future. So without wasting time, let's get started. So friends, now you see I am on the official website, and it's on the this is the front page of the website. So the name of the project is simply Solion. Here you can see the Twitter account, the Reddit and the Medium and each and everything. Here you can check further details, and here you can see the public minting starts in. So the time remaining is 3 days, 21 hours, 42 minutes and some seconds. So we are having so much time to get benefit from this project, and I think that we we don't have to miss this project, because this is the project that will benefit us in the near future. So the time is still remaining. As see on there is the market watch, and there is PP digital journal, you can see there, and Benzinga, investing.com, Yahoo Finance, your neighbors the Solians, you can see there. Actually this is the alien, I guess. Solians to live with us. In 2021, Solians are an integrated part of our society, but we get that far? They, they are costing from us, you can see there. And this is the front page of the website. If you want to check the website, I have given the website link in the description. You can check it out and read and get further informations. In 2021, so aliens are an integrated part of our society, but how did we get that far? After several mysteries about aliens, Area 51 and many other conspiracy theories, the US government and its allies decided to reveal that we are not alone. So the US government is its allies, that they have decided that we are not alone. Okay, here is the Society of Alienville. After being hidden for centuries but being educated in human society and lifestyle, many Soalians are indeed fans of human culture. You can see Soalians are the fans of the human culture, resulting in a free democratic way of living. You can see here what the aliens are saying to us. So here is 10,000 to be minted. You can check it out. This is huge, I guess. And here are 200 unique attributes. Here is 4 million plus possible combinations. That is so much. 4 million means 40 legs. 50 minted to date. Here you can see 50 minted to date. Okay, if I scroll down, I found these a little bit pictures of aliens. Here is so aliens. Alien Valley is a small city in the United States of America. So actually Alien Valley is the city which is in the America, the United States of America, and it's a small city. In case you wonder, yes, only so aliens live here, and let us tell how this came along. You can check it out and you can read it, and I hope you all are getting it. After several mysteries about aliens and Area 51, the ones who knew revealed it that Solians have been living amongst us for quite a while and have adapted to our lifestyle. So the aliens have been adapted in our life, in the lifestyle of the human beings. They even speak English, they have jobs, they go to the school, hang out, and are even involved in arts. They are involved in arts and craft. They go to the school, they hang out, and they even speak English, and even they have the jobs. The Solians reproduced over time and have become a society like ours. You know this. Soilians have reproduced, and they are in a great variety within us, within the lifestyle of us. They just look a bit different. They are a quite bit different from us. A collection of 10.000 Soilians NFTs represent this unique society of Soilians. So it is the NFT related project, and I guess that NFT projects are always beneficial for us. And I have made many videos about NFT, and you all have got many much benefits from these NFTs. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to check it out, the description, I have provided the website link in the description. You can check it out for the further informations.